Thank you. You should please bear with me if I display symptoms of caffeine withdrawal. No worries.